Ask Tom on Home Show.
Christy from Hedwig Village has a question about a ditch repair.
Yeah, well, that's because a huge city pipe broke in her yard, Tom, and she wound up with this. I have been there, Cindy.
Seen it before,
Christy,
yes.
I feel your pain. Okay. So Christy writes, they dug this huge hole and filled it back with pure clay and are coming back to plant grass. They even brought more crap clay soil, she says, her words, not mine, City of Houston, to place in the hole. I'm a huge gardener and do not want the new grass planted on top of that. What should I do? Will they use better soil? What can I do here, Tom?
Not a thing. They're going to go ahead and they're going to come back with whatever dirt they have. They're going to put the grass on there. What you do to it after they leave, they don't care. They have the subcontractors or the contractors coming in and just getting paid to do that. They take their pictures, the job is done, and they leave. You really don't have a lot of choice. But at the same time, I don't think you have to worry too much. They're going to just throw some dirt in there. The grass should be fine. Clay, not clay, as long as they don't put concrete in there, I guess you're okay. But as far as that goes, it happens every day in people's homes, even at my mother's home. And I used to just tell her, just let them finish. They finished. The grass was fine. You never knew where it was. But you don't have any say-so in this, and you certainly aren't going to get your gardening stuff going on unless you want to sneak out in the middle of the night or before they get there and go ahead and till it up with some Micro Life from your favorite nursery off Danny's show and put some compost top dressing on there. But they're not going to do it. They're just going to finish what their job was, and that they don't get paid a lot to do that.
Christy, I'm going to tell you something. If you're watching, and I hope you are, we've had this done in our yard many times. We had one time, Tom, we had a water pipe break under there, and we noticed the yard was getting higher, and it grew. And one day we went, there was this mound of grass in our yard. I went over, and I poked it, and it wiggled like it was full of jelly. And I told Sandy, I'm betting there's a water leak under there. And so anyway, the city came and they dug the hole up. They cleaned it all up. They put down their crap soil and they put their sod down. And today you can't find the hole.
No. That grass, that St. Augustine is pretty resilient. If you just start taking care of it, like, and Danny will probably tell you this, like the rest of your yard, over your regular fertilizing schedules and stuff, it's going to be fine as long as it gets sunlight and doesn't sit in a mud pit. So it doesn't look like it because it's up on a hill a little bit. So I think it's going to be fine.
Yeah, and that's a good point. When you click on that Ask Tom button and we get questions about gardening and things like that, you can click on that. It'll take you to this page here, and then it takes you another one where you form and you send pictures like Christy did. We have Danny, our garden pro, on the last Thursday of every month on our show, or you can hear him anytime you want at HomeShowGardenPros.com. But anyway, we'd love to get your questions and your pictures because we post a new one of these every day. Tom's done it for 30 years, and we're going to keep doing it because we love helping you. And you'll find a new video every day on our Facebook page, our YouTube channel, the Home Show Radio YouTube channel. I say that because people get confused how to find us. I'm just trying to help you so you're not among the confused. But the surest way to see our videos is to visit our website, HomeShowRadio.com.